Hey everyone, welcome to In the AI, your go-to place for the latest in AI news, tools, and tech trends. Today, we have some big updates, from power shortages facing AI data centers to new AI-powered apps making life easier for creators and developers. Let's dive in. Our first story today: nearly half of AI data centers worldwide could face critical power shortages by 2027. That's right. A new report by Gartner shows that AI energy demand is expected to more than double in just a few years. In 2022 alone, AI data centers consumed 349 terawatt-hours of electricity. By 2027, new servers alone could require 500 terawatt-hours, equal to the power used by 46 million households. If we don't see rapid expansion in carbon-free energy, AI environmental impact could become unsustainable. This is why tech leaders like Sam Altman from OpenAI are investing heavily in renewable energy, with Altman investing $375 million in fusion power. Will this be enough to meet AI growing energy demands? Time will tell. Next up, Google has officially launched a dedicated app for its AI assistant, Gemini, on iOS globally. Until now, iOS users had to rely on the Google app or mobile web to access Gemini, but now they have a standalone app just for this powerful assistant. The new Gemini app supports text-based prompts in 35 languages, with live conversations available in 12 languages, including English, Spanish, Hindi, and more. It's great for tasks like finding recipes or helping with studies, but one of the standout features is the integration with Google's Imagen 3 model, allowing users to generate images directly in the app. Gemini Live, a conversational feature unique to this iOS app, is also available. Google says it plans to add more language support soon. This launch could signal the beginning of more AI-powered features arriving on Apple's platform, especially with Siri's planned ChatGPT integration in iOS 18.2. For all the creators out there, here's a game changer. Indian video editing platform InVideo has just launched InVideo v3.0, a generative AI-powered video creation tool. With text prompts, users can generate entire videos in different styles: live, action, animated, or even anime. Unlike previous tools that could only stitch together stock images and video, this new version generates videos from scratch. It's aimed at creators, small businesses, and anyone looking to make professional content with minimal editing skills. For now, there's no free tier, but the new generative plan lets users create 15 minutes of video per month for $120, with extra minutes available for purchase. Next, we have Tessl, a startup building an AI-native platform for developers to create and maintain software efficiently. The company has raised $125 million in funding and is now valued at an impressive $750 million, despite not yet having a finished product. Tessl's vision is ambitious: an AI platform that can write, maintain, and update code based on simple language inputs, helping developers create reliable software quickly. Founded by Guy Podjarny, the mind behind cybersecurity giant Snike, Tessl could be a major player in AI-assisted coding. While it's competing with established tools like GitHub Copilot and Magic, Tessl aims to complement other platforms. With such a strong backing, this platform could reshape software development in the AI era. François Chollet, the creator of Keras and a major voice in AI, has announced he's leaving Google. After nearly 10 years with the tech giant, he's setting off to start a new company with a friend. Chollet didn't reveal too much, but his decision is making waves in the AI community. He's best known for creating Keras, an open-source API that has helped shape machine learning tools today. Keras has over 2 million users and powers major tech products, from self-driving cars at Waymo to recommendation engines at YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. In 2019, Chollet introduced the RKGI benchmark, designed to test AI ability to reason like humans. And just this year, he launched the ARC Prize, a $1 million challenge to crack this benchmark, but it's still up for grabs. While others focus on feeding more data to AI, he believes in AI systems that can reason like humans, potentially through Neuros, embolic AI. Chollet's departure is a big shift, but he has full confidence in his Keras team, led by Jeff Carpenter, to continue pushing the boundaries of deep learning. He will stay involved from the outside. Chollet's also made an impact as one of Time's 100 most influential people in AI, and his future projects are sure to be just as impactful. In other news, OpenAI is making ChatGPT even more useful for developers. The new ChatGPT desktop app for macOS can now interact directly with coding apps like VS Code, Xcode, and Terminal. No more copying and pasting code into ChatGPT. Just let the app read your code and give you feedback right within your coding environment. This feature, called Work with Apps, is still in its early stages and won't let ChatGPT write code directly into apps just yet. However, it's a significant step toward building AI that can assist you more seamlessly across different tools. It works by using macOS Accessibility API to read text from apps, making it easier for ChatGPT to assist with your code without needing to copy and paste. For now, it's available to Plus and Teams users, but expect it to expand to more platforms soon. This feature is an important part of OpenAI's larger vision of developing AI agent systems that can understand and work across various apps to help you in multiple ways. The long-term goal, AI that can assist with more than just text and prompts. Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI is back in the news. Musk, who co-founded OpenAI, is accusing the company of abandoning its nonprofit mission. He claims that OpenAI has transformed into a for-profit entity, allegedly benefiting unfairly from its relationship with Microsoft. Musk argues that OpenAI's current model is anti-competitive and that Microsoft's involvement has created a monopoly in the AI space. The lawsuit also claims that Microsoft's influence over OpenAI has led to unfair advantages for Musk's own AI company, xAI, which has been unable to secure favorable terms with Microsoft. This lawsuit is not just a corporate dispute, it touches on issues of transparency, ethics, and AI role in society. Musk wants OpenAI to return to its nonprofit roots and make AI accessible for all. Elon Musk's social media company, X, is suing California over its new law, AB 2655, also called the Defending Democracy from Deepfake Deception Act of 2024. This law mandates large online platforms to remove or label AI-generated deepfakes related to elections. The lawsuit claims the law infringes on free speech rights, saying it could lead to over-censorship of political discourse. X argues that even false speech has historically been protected under the First Amendment, especially in the context of government criticism. The suit was filed in Sacramento, with X pushing back against other requirements like establishing deepfake reporting channels and allowing candidates to seek legal action against platforms that don't comply. Interestingly, this lawsuit follows a federal judge's temporary block of a similar California law aimed at banning deceptive campaign ads online. It's a legal battleground between free speech and the fight against misinformation. Microsoft is in a tough spot. Despite pledging to be carbon negative by 2030, its emissions have surged by over 40% since 2020, partly due to its growing AI operations. So, what's the plan? Microsoft is betting big on direct air capture DAC, a technology that literally pulls CO2 out of the air. Partnering with the Royal Bank of Canada, Microsoft has purchased 10,000 metric tons of carbon removal over 10 years from Deep Sky, a Canadian DSE project. Deep Sky is hosting a bake-off where 8 startups will test their DSE technologies side by side at a site in Alberta, Canada. With shared power and storage resources, the goal is to find the most efficient carbon capture method. The project aims to be operational by April, with the first carbon credits delivered by June. Now, let's rewind to OpenAI early days. New legal filings from Musk's ongoing lawsuit reveal some juicy details about the company's internal drama. Back in 2017, OpenAI considered acquiring Cerebras, an AI chipmaker now going public. Emails show OpenAI co-founder Ilya Sutskever pitching the idea of buying Cerebras through Tessl. But the deal didn't happen, likely due to conflicts between Musk's ambitions and OpenAI mission. Today, Cerebras claims its chips are faster and more efficient than NVIDIA's, but it faces challenges like over-reliance on a single client and scrutiny over ties to China. Meanwhile, OpenAI has shifted gears, working with Broadcom and TSMC to design its own AI chips, expected by 2026. Other revelations include Musk's push for absolute control over OpenAI, raising fears of an AGI dictatorship among the team. One email from Sutskever reads, "The current structure provides you a path where you end up with unilateral absolute control over AGI. We can't risk an AI dictatorship." There was also tension over Sam Altman's motives, with Sutskever questioning whether Altman's focus was truly on AGI or business gains. Despite the drama, OpenAI eventually aligned itself with Microsoft, securing funding and compute power without strings attached, though Musk called early corporate proposals nauseating. Marc, a name synonymous with innovation, is making waves in the food tech industry with his new venture, Wonder. On this week's episode of Strictly VC Download, Lore shared his ambitious vision for the future of dining. Wonder started with food trucks, but has evolved into a vertically integrated dining and delivery platform. Its recent $650 million acquisition of Grubhub is just the beginning. The platform aims to create a seamless experience with AI-driven health solutions and what Lore describes as a super app for meal planning and food delivery. What's unique? Wonder's approach to food as medicine. By harnessing the power of AI, the company wants to revolutionize the way people think about their diets, making the world healthier one meal at a time. And it doesn't stop there. Wonder is also targeting B2B markets, offering innovative electric kitchen technology that's flexible and scalable. Imagine freshly cooked meals being prepared in non-traditional spaces like stadiums or amusement parks. As for the future, Lore is setting his sights high, aiming for a $40 billion valuation by 2028 with a clear IPO roadmap. If you're curious about food tech and AI role in shaping healthier lifestyles, this is definitely a space to watch. In a final teaser, we're looking forward to OpenAI upcoming tool, Code, named Operator, which could launch as early as January. Operator is expected to be an AI agent capable of taking direct actions on a user's computer through OpenAI Developer API. It'll be competing with tools like Anthropic's computer use and Google's rumored AI agent. With the ability to execute tasks in a web browser, Operator could open new doors for AI applications. Stay tuned for more details. That's all for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed these updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss future episodes.